we're thinking nice little project.
System's not ready for interrogation.
And the grumpy old little man. We've got the VR6 running because we have a stupid idea.
Busy boy.
Cool.
Maybe I fix it.
Good morning. How are we doing? Thought it's probably a good idea to pick the old camera up. There's a few fun things happening around here. Why not show you, eh? So for us, this is, well, we were at Busfest last weekend and we're now back playing with T4s again. But Busfest was good. Enjoyed that. Slightly disappointed there was zero signal there. Couldn't really post anything, but it was a good show. Weather held out and managed to actually meet up with a few of you guys, had a few pictures. So yeah, it was all quite good. Had a good old time. But we're back and we're getting back on with things. As you can see in the background, a hydro van is just chilling out over there. Back to reality. I've got to pull this thing apart because that engine is kaput. Belts have all not done belt things, unfortunately, so that's got to come out. So that's my job. Strip this. In fact, I've done the majority of it, luckily. Well, John, seeing we're talking to him, he's working on this. Now, me and Di went all the way to Kent to come and pick this thing up, and it is a very nice example, minus the fact it's an auto, and the auto box is kaput. So,
Not auto in anymore.
it's no longer auto, which is where John comes in. So, Mr. John is pulling that auto out, putting a nice manual in it, and then this thing can be MOT'd.
It's a ball joint.
And loved.
And again. Right track rod on the left side. Right, left back. Left or right.
Unfortunately, that happens too often. Right on the left, left on the right. It's even got them writ on them.
I suppose it depends which way you stand in there.
No.
Right.
Let's not try and justify the wrong arms on the wrong side. Let's not justify that. So, yeah. A few little bits and bobs, ball joints, the correct track rod ends the right way around.
Yeah. There's play in them anyway, so we don't come off. A remap. Service.
Me and Di had to go all the way to Kent to go and pick this thing up.
What time do you get home?
1:30 in the morning. Ish, 1:30. It was an eventful trip, but we got back safe and sound. How long did they say they had this thing sat for?
About a year.
So yeah, that's going auto to manual. So that's what Mr. John's up to. I'm stripping that because it's deaded. John's hydro van is hydroing. Love how low this thing is. Mr. Namo!
No, no point coming here back. I'm just old grumpy guy.
And the grumpy old little man.
Yeah, little as well. I forgot about that bit.
How are we, Grumpy?
Yeah, you know. Yeah, all good, bad, all good.
This thing, well, I think I've shown this one. This is the one that was the other way around. Obviously, it's been swapped around now. He's done this side. Oh, might as well, we can get down here, let's have a look. This side is all done, just needs the wing putting back on, which is actually right there. I'm about to kick it as we speak. Oh.
Two. And it's done.
Ta-da! Not that far from being done. That one on, that one on.
Put the cutting, put the welding, put the grinding.
Ta-da!
Should be done today, hopefully.
This should be nice.
Yeah, fresh.
MOT spray.
Yeah, never mind that.
She's getting a respray. This is actually one of our vans. This will be up for sale soon-ish. Yeah, she's a nice van.
Tank, cooker, gas, toss up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She is ready for someone to love. Oh, that's why she's getting a respray. Black uphill. Did you enjoy Busfest?
Yeah, man. Only one day, but
Well,
yeah,
yeah.
it's cool.
Unfortunately, Di had to come back. He had other arrangements he had to deal with. But
Yes.
we had fun while we were there.
Well, it was actually nice.
It was a good
Yeah.
show. We all got to sit on our roof racks and have a barbecue.
We'll check out the photos.
Oh, you need to send me that. But yeah, Bus was good.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave Namo up to that. John's over there, so we're going to leave him to do that. And I'm going to pull this thing out. I need to pull the wiring loom out, which is literally what I'm doing now. And, well, the crane's already out. Pull it out. So that's my job. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this. I'll pick this up in a minute when we're doing someone else. So, see you in a mo. And welcome back. Didn't actually pick a camera up and show much more because there wasn't really a lot to show. But as you can see, things have changed. Mr. Namo. Things have changed. The van that I had on the ramp, as you can see, is no longer. That has been successfully dealt with. The van John had on the ramp is not on the ramp. Ta-da! No more auto box. You can't really see anything anyway. But she is now manual and driving, as you can see. Look at that, proper gear stick. Oh, Mr. Namo is now doing computer things.
Busy boy.
So, and then she is off for an MOT today.
+2, I think.
And then she is going to have a fresh bill of health. On to enjoy some more adventures. Oh, that's door. Can I have it?
I don't think the door is a problem.
I think so. This is such a lovely van. Ah, twin slider. Didn't actually know it was a twin slider. Off to enjoy many more miles manually. And Mr. John, who is there, he is doing a service on this T25 2.1 petrol. Also, it's very weird seeing John doing a service up that end and not this end. That's what's going on. Also, in case you wonder what the noise is, we got the fire on. I haven't had a chance to actually pick a camera up because we've been busy and it's not really been a wonderful amount to show. Because, yeah, there hasn't been a wonderful amount to show. Ah, also, this van, which we've been watching the progress on. I think last time this wasn't quite welded in yet. Well, that's now done. Sill's now done. Also had to do the sliding door lip because that needed to be done. So he's gone across and done that. And I think, unless I am mistaken, she is now done. Put it all back together again, obviously. But yeah, I think she is now ready for her MOT. And then a front end respray, because she needs it. I think it's done anyway. We'll ask. Di, is this one done now?
Well, mine is put the door back and well, little patch or two on the floor. Yeah, so it's done.
Nearly done.
Yeah.
Nearly done, did it? You okay?
Not bad, thank you.
Good. How did you enjoy your Manuel swap?
It's nice. All day. Just going to bleed a little bit more of the clutch now before she goes for MOT. Make sure she's all that blended in. Done.
So there we go. Little update on what's actually happening around Shah. So
Okay.
I'm going to put this down. He's going to carry on doing that and Di's
Yeah, 6 times.
See you in a minute. And back again. So Had a little bit of a tidy up in here. John done the service on the T25. As you can see, he's got another one on the ramp. Mr. Namo has finished putting this thing back together again. Look at this. Complete. And as you can see, mine's over the pit. I have seen I've got an ever so slight oil leak. So I want to see where that's coming from. And I thought, why not take you guys underneath and we can have a little look and see how bad my gearbox mount is. Because I've been hearing it hitting the floor quite a lot. Ah, cool, torch is dead. Good start. New torch. Let's try that again. Ooh. We have some scrapies. Ah, cool. Nice. Little collection of stones, apparently. Oh, cool. She needs tubbing. Well, hopefully the camera's going to pick that up. Look at all the rub marks. Perfect. So I'm going to help Di get that thing on the ramp a bit better. We need to move a few vans about. And then I'm going to have a little bit of a potch underneath there. So I'll put this down. I'll pick you guys up in a minute. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you us moving this about. There we go. Everything moved it about. She's back in from the rain. That's back on the ramp to get work did on. Also, look at the size of that. It's like a whale tail. I like that. It's like a little canopy. Right, we're going to carry on messing around with this lot. I'm going to see what I can figure out on the front of mine. So, see you in a mo. And there we go. As you can see, the van is no longer behind me. I've done what needed to be done. John has replaced the linkage on this because the ball, which is nowhere to be seen, was absolutely in bits. So he has replaced that. My van is actually just by there, which is nice. But we've been having multiple conversations about different things.
Do something stupid, people.
Yes, do stupid things. That's why I got my hood up, 'cause I'm cold. As you can hear, we've got the VR6 running because we have a stupid idea. Yes. So, yeah. If you do or don't know, these VR6s come, sorry about the wind, they come with a, oh there it is, automatic gearbox. And unfortunately for us, the automatic,
for this van,
well, for this van and for us, this automatic gearbox isn't automaticing anymore. So we are trying a new ECU for the gearbox.
System's not ready for interrogation. What he said. Maybe I fix it. I'm not ready for interrogation. That's a very German thing to say.
So there's that done. We have finished VR6ing for a bit. Tried changing the ECU for the automatic gearbox and that sort of helped, but it's still not pulling right. So she's all parked up, being all sad, and she's going to get left there for a little bit. I'm going to have to go inside because it's cold. But yeah, unfortunately the VR6 isn't VR6ing. The auto box is not autoing. We're thinking nice little project. and to sort of repurpose the van. We've had a few ideas, and we kind of want to know what your ideas are, really. We sort of thought maybe put a 20 valve turbo in it, maybe PD swap it. Just want to know what your ideas are as well, just in case there's something we haven't thought about. But it definitely is getting repurposed in some way, shape or form. So if you have any ideas, please let us know. And then we're going to do it. It's going to end up being our little side project. So let us know what you think. But as you can see, the workshop's got a bunch of stuff brought in from the outside, and we're going to get ready to go. Drop us a little comment, let us know what you think. It'd be nice to sort of repurpose that in some way and do something quite fun with it. Shame it's not going to say VR6, because that would be quite cool, but unfortunately that is not going to happen. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on because I've rambled on long enough. I'm going to get myself gone. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a little like. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumbass, and as always, take it easy.